Spear Corps joined the people of Arunachal Pradesh to celebrate the Mopin festival with joy and unity. In Along, a 10-kilometer run was conducted, wherein over 200 participants from diverse age groups participated, encouraging fitness and health. A blood donation camp held in collaboration with the Arunachal Voluntary Blood Donor Organization saw Indian Army, ITBP, and civilians come together, donating blood and strengthening their collective commitment to save lives.
Indian Army and Assam Rifles, under Spear Corps, in coordination with Manipur Police, CRPF, and BSF, conducted intelligence-based joint operations in the hill and valley districts of Manipur, including Chura, Chaandpur, Imphal West, Kaangpokpi, Bishnupur, Kaakching, and Imphal East. These operations led to the recovery of 46 weapons, comprising automatic rifles, pistols, grenades, IEDs, mortars, and warlike stores. All recovered items were handed over to Manipur Police.
Spear Corps extended helping hand to young minds in Arunachal Pradesh by providing coaching for the Sainik school entrance exams to 21 girls and 11 boys from the border areas of Sarli and Taksing in Subansiri Valley. The initiative included screening, provision of study materials, mentorship, guidance, and travel assistance, ensuring each student was fully supported. The Hon'ble Governor ignited the minds of these young students and motivated them to strive for excellence. These students also visited places of interest in Itanagar and will also be visiting Sainik School and Indian Army installations in Arunachal Pradesh. To keep yourself more updated, follow Spear Corps on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube.